International Vision Zero workshop concluded at Shahi Exports Private Limited, Faridabad. Discussion on preventing accidents at workplaces. Indo-German Cooperation for Safety, Health and Well-being, IGCSHW Noida, in collaboration with DGUV Germany, International Social Security Association, ISSA, successfully concluded a workshop on creating accident-free and safe workplaces through the Vision Zero system at Shahi Exports Private Limited, Faridabad, on the 2nd of August 2025. The main objective of this workshop is to create a safe and accident-free work environment across the world by adopting the Vision Zero system so that accidents like the Bhopal tragedy can be avoided again in India and other countries, and the goal of zero accident, zero disease and overall well-being can be achieved. More than 45 representatives from 3 plants of Shahi Exports Private Limited and other reputed industries located in Faridabad industrial area participated in this conference. There was an in-depth discussion in the workshop on the need for a holistic approach to completely prevent accidents at the workplace by adopting the Vision Zero system. In this conference, initiatives were taken to share best working practices, case studies and practical tools to create a roadmap for enhancing safe working environment globally, and emphasis was laid on raising awareness. In the opening session of the workshop, Dr. Ivnish Singh, former Director General, DG Fazli, Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India and International Coordinator Vision Zero Rating System India, explained the history of the Vision Zero concept and emphasized that people can be motivated towards safe behavior by adopting the Vision Zero system through education and public awareness campaigns. He told that the Vision Zero approach is not just an idea, but a goal that we can all achieve together. He appealed that all the participants should try to adopt the Vision Zero system at their own level so that accidents can be reduced and the workplace becomes safe. Mr. Karunesh Srivastav, Director Vision Zero Rating System India, while emphasizing the importance of safety and the need for updated knowledge in the changing scenarios, discussed in detail the 7 golden rules of the Vision Zero system and said that only when we all work together on the Vision Zero rating system, we will be able to make the workplaces safe and accident-free. Mr. Rajesh Kumar Singh, Head HR, Mr. Amardeep Saxena, General Manager HR, and Mr. Shani Matthews, AGM Safety of Shahi Exports Private Limited, Faridabad, contributed significantly in making this workshop a success.